Professor Klaus here. A company called Telesin sent me this great neck mount. Now this goes around your neck and it allows you to attach your phone to it so that you can actually record things without holding your phone. Now I have to say, this achieves some really nice shots and the price is just right. Let me tell you about it. There are several items in the box. First, we have the neck mount itself. Also included is a strap that you can wrap around your back and attach to the neck mount so that it doesn't jostle when running or moving quickly. There's also another strap included that you can attach to your iPhone and to the neck mount so it will not fall to the ground if it comes loose. There's a MagSafe magnet that you can attach to a case, and some alcohol wipes, and the instructions. I'm going to get right down to it and show you some scenarios where you could use this device. Scenario number 1, an unboxing video. Normally when I make an unboxing video, I have to get a C-stand and I have to get it all situated, do the lighting appropriately. But with this device, I can just put it around my neck, put it out, put the camera on there and start recording. Just put it on, adjust the angle, and go to work. Scenario 2, a cooking video. Maybe you're a parent that's going away and you just want to leave some cooking instructions for your kid. With this neck mount, you can easily record a cooking video and show them exactly what they need to do. In the same vein, if you are going away and you need to leave some instructions for somebody who's watching your home, you could leave them instructions on how to feed the dogs or how to operate your remote control for your TV.
Then you select which input you'd like to go to.
Scenario 3, a practical how-to video. So say you make videos on how to do car repairs. When using a second camera, your hands often get in the way of that angle because you can't see what's going on. The Telesin neck mount gives the viewers a first-person POV of whatever you're working on. Scenario 4, family events. I can't tell you how many times I've watched a family event through an iPhone screen, live. I wish I could have seen some of those moments without having to hold a camera in front of my face. With the Telesin neck mount, you can just attach it and just enjoy the show. You're still going to be able to reflect on these events down the road. Scenario 5, the unintended use. I use my iPhone for about 90% of my YouTube videos, but with this Telesin neck mount, I can also use it for something else besides my neck and capture shots that I might not be able to do by myself, giving myself B-roll of me doing things. It's pretty cool. Just tie it to a tree or a post or anything that you can attach it to, and then you can capture yourself in the action. I find myself using it on a table while I'm watching YouTube videos having a coffee. I've actually attached it to the back of my seat in my car so that my kids can watch videos while we're on a long trip. Overall, I have to say, this is a product I didn't know I wanted. It's slim enough to just throw in my bag and it won't take up much room. When you need it, it's there. And I love how easily my phone just clicks to it. It can go in portrait mode or landscape mode just by turning it slightly. Telesin offers 2 models with the magnetic phone attachment and another that has a standard attachment to use with any smartphone. Be sure to follow the links in the description to get 10% off on these products through the month of July. If you found this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe to get more videos. I make software tutorials on Adobe Lightroom, Photoshop, Premiere, Final Cut Pro. I also do product reviews as well as filmmaking tips. So please subscribe. Until next time, take care.